It is February. February. Oh, hey, Brock. There's Brock. Having fun in the snow. This is the blizzard of 2010. February 6th, I think it is right now. And this is Ellicott City, Maryland. We've got about, let's say, 26 to maybe 30 inches. And we're out here trying to dig out.
Yeah, it seems like it's going to take forever to finally get to July, especially with this never-ending snow.
Is it early? Are you think it's early July or end of July?
Well, 13.
Let's see.
Right in the middle there. What is this out there, huh?
You can see how deep the snow is here.
Oh my God.
And still coming down at probably an inch or two an hour here. There's Brock. Hey, Brock. Enjoying the snow. Dogs love snow. At least this one does. Hi, Michelle. All right. Well, I just came from cleaning off the heat pump, and you could just get a sense of how much snow we've got here, and it is still coming down very intensely. You could see the path. I actually had to dig a path for myself to walk. If I didn't, I would be up to about mid-thigh. I measured about 26 inches at a spot in the driveway. Take a look at that. I could get a feel for how deep this is. You can see on the snowblower my chute, the opening here, the chute for the snow just barely clears the top of the snow surface. Obviously the snow is too deep for my snowblower on its own, so I've been using my shovel to just kind of chip away and then use a snowblower each pass. Look at the house. Snow still coming down so hard right now. And a little windy. Very, very beautiful, but very tough conditions out here in Ellicott City. We are right just north of Route 100 near the interchange for Route 29, so gives you a sense of where we are in Howard County. Incredible snowstorm. Just really, really intense. Well, time to take a break. I'll come back out here in another hour and keep working up the hill, trying to clear the driveway.